Oh, hey guys, how's it going? This is your teacher, Mr. Imsh. This is probably the dorkiest thing I've ever done to address you as this, but I wanted to show you a couple things. So, you're in class today, you're talking about atomic model, this creative project, you're wondering what to do, and you've looked at this information right here already. You know about what I'm going to be grading it on, but I want to show you one kind of cool thing real quick. So if you go to your Google Drive, you can start a presentation, like a slideshow. And what you're going to do is you're going to take this slideshow and you're going to turn it into like a stop motion movie. And it's a bit less tedious than doing like a drawing in a cartoon, and I'll show you kind of how to do that. So the first thing I do is I'm going to retitle this presentation. I just like a blank theme. I actually don't even like that first one. I like it to be completely blank, kind of like this. And I'm going to call this Atomic Structure Slideshow. And what I can do is I can start making some shapes. So let's say I go like this, and I can create like, alright, this right here, this is going to be my nucleus, you know? So I'm going to put it here in the center, bam. Now next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a shape, and I'm going to do, let's say I'm doing Bohr model, alright? I'm going to go something around, but it's like, uh-oh, now that's covered that. So a couple of things that you should kind of look at when you're doing this. One is that fill color. You can make that fill color transparent. Bam. Another thing you can do is if I control click on it, or alt click I think for the Chromebooks, you can say order sent to back. So then you can start kind of layering what's on top. So it's like, okay, cool. This is going to be the first one, and I'm going to do one little electron. I'm going to say my little electrons, oh, what do I want them to look like? I want them to look kind of crazy. Oh, look at these little guys. Yeah, these look cool. So bam, electron right there, first orbital. So what would this be called? You guys got it? Anyone? Anyone? Nope. There's no way for me to interact with you right here. I don't know what I'm expecting, but I'm going to say that's going to be hydrogen. So bam, make that nice and big. Cool. Well, let's make it even bigger. Alright, so then I'm going to duplicate slide. Duplicating slide is I go here, I go File, I control click on it, or I do Command D and it just duplicates it. So see how I have two slides right here with the exact same thing? I can kind of go like that. So now that I've duplicated it, I can take this, I can select my electron, copy, paste, put another one in that first energy level, like that, bam, and change this to helium. Cool. So now when I look at my slides, it goes hydrogen, helium, and shows that second one. Alright, so what do I have to do next? Going down to the second row of the periodic table, I'm going to have to add a third energy level. That looks good. Oh no, I need to make it transparent real quick. Cool, so that's my third one. Alright, again, I can do that copy and paste thing with my little electrons. Ooh, now that's like that, so I'm going to say send to back, order, send to back. Something like that. I can select those, copy, paste them, bam, and change it like that. So what you can eventually do is when you go through it, you can start creating kind of like a stop motion animation thing that looks like that. Alright? Cool, cool. If you want to see like some professionals do it, something really cool you do, and I posted a link to this on my website real quick, is that you can see on right here, this is like, again, this is super professionally done by professional graphic designers who are employed by Google, so it's quite amazing. But if you go in here to check out this example, you can see kind of like what they can create just based on this like same premise of creating different slides, putting these slides in order. It's pretty cool stuff. Here's them making the slides, and professional graphic designers, and so here's what it looks like. So yeah, kind of neat, kind of cool to do, and it's just another means to show your atomic model conceptual understanding. That's all I have for you right now. I miss you guys. Miss you a lot. But I will be back on Monday. Remember, on Wednesday we're going to have our unit test. So if you have any questions, Beaver Lodge on Tuesday is going to be the time to do it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.